Hola, clase. Today's lesson is the word would. So, we're working on words that are not found in the Spanish dictionary. We say, I would not do that if I were you. Or, number two, oh, I'm glad you came over. Would you like to eat with us? I've added a lot of stuff in there, but I just want you to think about would, class, just would. Number three, would you please help me? So those are some of the examples that we use every day, isn't it? So we want to be able to say that in Spanish. Is that correct? Yes. So in order to get would into our Spanish language, what we're going to do is we're going to add two letters to the infinitive verb. We're going to add, in Spanish, this letter is the E and the A. So we pronounce it ia. We're going to add it to the infinitive verb. So you will not find this word would in a Spanish dictionary. As mentioned before, the Spanish verbs do more work than English verbs. So always think of the verb first if you want to tell somebody something. Don't start off with my mother was talking. Start off with talking. And then conjugate it for my mother. All right, so Spanish will add the word would into the ending of the verbs. Example, let's use the verb hablar, which means what? To speak or to talk. So we're going to add the letters ia to the infinitive verb. The letter I is pronounced E, the letter A is pronounced A in Spanish. Every single vowel in Spanish is always pronounced, even if it's quickly ia. So let's look at example number one. All right, so in example number one, we're going to see where we say, I would speak with her. All right. She was acting up bad in school today, and the teacher says, I would speak with her if I were you about her behavior. Or your boss wants to tell you that if I were you, I would speak with her regarding her work. Well, so anyway, you're thinking of the word would. That's what we're learning. Would. So when we're learning would, it's not going to be found in the dictionary. We're going to change our verb by adding ia. So the Spanish verb hablar becomes hablaría. So I would speak with her. Yo hablaría con ella. I would speak with her. So I know, Janice, you're saying, oh, you don't have to put the yo on there, Mel. Don't you know that? Oh, that's right, Janice, you're correct. Okay, so I put yo in there, so I'm being redundant. Yo hablaría con ella. So then I put down here how to pronounce it. You're going to pronounce it blah, ri, ah. So it's going to be soft, soft, loud, soft. Hablaría. And you run it together, hablaría. All right, número dos.